Good morning. Good morning, my beautiful. Hi. Say hi, guys. It is February 19th. It's Monday. Yeah, we got to sleep in a little. We didn't have to worry about taking Jonathan to school. Now we're going to have some breakfast. So our sink is broken. It's leaking water from down there. And it's clogged. It takes forever for the water to go down, so that is why I have these dirty dishes from last night here. And then this little, whatever it's called, I can't even think, is leaking water. Also, and I just thought to put some tape on it, but that does not help at all. So yeah, hopefully we can get that fixed soon. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, February 20th. We just got back from taking Jonathan to school, and look at the cutest thing. He fell asleep right here, just sitting next to me. Say good morning. Good morning. Yeah, baby brother fell asleep. Are you ready for breakfast? Okay, so I'm gonna go put him in his sling and then we'll get some breakfast. Alright guys, let me show you what I am dealing with right now. I didn't really vlog yesterday, but I did record a little bit of our situation. Our sink is broken, it's clogged, the water takes forever to go down, and when it does go down, it's leaking from down there. What, baby? I have your breakfast ready, okay? I'm going right now. And it wasn't leaking that bad, but just right now I went to go put Joseph down for his nap, and I noticed, I started hearing like the dripping noise, and I come, and then the wood's already pretty wet, because I had a smaller bowl, this little white one in there, and this is just from yesterday night. There was like a couple dishes that I washed this morning, and it's ridiculous. I'm already filling up this bucket. I'm just gonna have to go throw it out in the bathroom, I'm guessing, but yeah, it's leaking a lot. So I'm definitely not gonna be able to use the sink today. So yeah, that is what we are dealing with. Let me show you guys what the rest of my night will consist of. Folding clothes. Joseph already got a baby bath. Victoria's gonna get in the bath right now. Mom needs to shower, so you need to take a nap, okay? Can you do that for me? Can you take a nap? Where do you want to go?
To the doctor.
Why do you want to go to the doctor for?
Check me.
So they can check you? I'm sure you're okay.
Okay.
Okay, baby.
On the way to the work.
guys, it is Wednesday, February 21st. We are at Jonathan's school picking him up. We have been out all morning. Say hi. You want to say hi? No? She's just tired, I think. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi. What are you doing? Oh, you're trying to eat my hand. Joseph is 5 months today. Yes, you are, my big boy. Yes, you are 5 months. 5 months. He is so big. He is growing. Yes, you are growing every day. So big, my boy. And then tomorrow, the 22nd, will mark 1 month until Victoria turns 3. It's almost going to be your birthday. Victoria. Okay, she just always ignores me. Your sister always ignores me, huh? Yeah.
I might have to buy a whole new one. El mío es de rosca, se conecta la pipa con rosca. Y el que tenía usted no tiene, nomás tiene un agujero ahí. Y tiene, no sé, como que lleva otro adaptador encima. No, nomás tiene un puro agujero. Solo que me la Home Depot a ver si hay algo. Tiene que haber algo. Pedazos. A lo mejor tengo que cambiar la pipa esa que... La mía, ¿no? Porque la mía es de rosca. Y ese otro no tiene rosca.
Hey guys, so I wanted to show you what we got at the flea market, swap meet, whatever you want to call it. We got these little coffee mugs. So cute. And then this one's mine. It has like a different style to it. Let me show you guys. See, so cute. Now I can drink my coffee in here. This one's smaller than this one, I think. Or they're actually the same size, just a different style. So cute. I'm pretty sure that they obviously paint these themselves. I believe they're probably made in Mexico and then they just bring them over here. They're so cute. And then my mother-in-law got Victoria this little, let me show you guys, it's a little like tortilla maker to make tortillas. It's so cute. Yeah, it says it's made in Mexico, and I almost don't want to let her have this to just play with just because it's like so cute. So yeah, so cute. We also got some honey. It's 100% natural. This is great on teas. And it's actually like local. So this is supposed to be better for like allergies and yeah. So, and then just my husband got some tools and some shirts, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But that little stand that we were at with all the Mexican stuff, oh, it's so cute. I just wanted to buy everything. So cute. Hi, Jonathan. How was school today?
Good.
The world wants to know how Jonathan's day at school was.
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Got no homework.
No homework, really?
Yep.
That's perfect. Maybe we can go watch Black Panther later then, since we don't have homework.
Yeah.
Yep. Now we just have to wait till Dad gets back from Home Depot.
We actually went.
Yes, he went to Home Depot because he's trying to fix our garbage disposal, and then we still need to eat dinner.
Yeah. What's for dinner?
I don't know, wherever we go. Where do you want to go eat?
Vegetables.
Oh my goodness, you don't even like vegetables. How
I
fake.
like carrots.
You're so fake
That's the only
saying
thing I like.
vegetables.
I only like carrots.
What does a real Jonathan want to eat?
Carrots.
Oh my gosh, what a liar.
Carrots.
Uh-huh, sure, okay.
I'm
We'll
kidding.
see.
I want to eat hot dogs, pizza.
Hot dogs, pizza, burgers and fries.
Yeah.
And all that good stuff.
Even though it's not good for you, though.
Yep.
That's why I said vegetables.
Okay. Victoria, you're gonna get hurt. Victoria. I doubt she'll break the door. Joseph is taking a nap.
Cat that I put up here. But it's pretty, yeah, pipe things and fix that. Alright, we're good. Alright, turn it off. The hose is hella easy to change. Just a hose.
What?
I wanna.
Cowboy ketchup. Sweet fire. What? Eat your phone. You don't want this? She didn't want the ranch. Man, this is Snapchat, huh? Good, Black Panther? We got 2 adults and 1 kid? Okay.
Hey guys, we just finished having dinner and we are at the drive-ins. We're gonna watch Black Panther. And Dad and Jonathan went to go get some popcorn for us. Victoria, say hi. Are we gonna watch a movie?
I'm gonna watch a movie.
Yeah, we're gonna watch a movie.
I've got a lot of Wonderland.
Yeah.
A Wonderland. I want to land over a border. You gotta get that.
Here's Mr. Joseph. Hopefully he'll fall asleep. I'm sure he will. What?
No, not the cheese. No.
What's playing over there? I think it's Peter Rabbit. We're waiting over here for Black Panther.
No, I see that one.
guys, can you see back there?
Shastuto, just a boy, not fit to me.
What did you think of the movie? Of Black Panther?
Really good.
A really good movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
But I agree that Black Panther was weak. He's pretty weak. Without the suit, he's nothing.
Oh, wow. But would you say it's like one of the better Marvel movies or no? No, huh? Yeah, I agree. It was good, but I don't know. I feel like the other ones have been better. Alright guys, finally my sink is fixed. I can wash these dishes. Got a new faucet. Works perfectly. The water goes down. Finally. It's time to go to sleep, my boy. It's time to go night-night. Yes, it is. Yes, it is time to go to sleep. Good night, my baby. I love you. Good night. Victoria, say good night. Say good night. Good night. Love you.